In a magical fairyland, tiny fairy Lily was often overlooked by the bigger fairies. One day, a storm caused chaos, and the big fairies struggled to clear the mess. Determined to help, Lily gathered scattered seeds and planted them with care. Soon, beautiful flowers bloomed, bringing joy back to the land. The bigger fairies were amazed and realized that even the smallest fairy could make a big difference. Moral: no one is too small to make a difference. Be kind to everyone, no matter how big or small they are.